How to fix Facebook unable to login problem. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. The unable to login problem is due to if you have added or mistakenly mistyped a password or your username. In that case, firstly check for your login credential. If not, there might be a network issue. To resolve it, open up your phone settings. In your phone setting, you need to scroll down and check out the option of developer option, or just tap on the search icon and search for developer option. Tap on it. So over here, scroll down until you see the option of Wi-Fi scan throttling. Make sure that it is toggled on, which improves the network performance, as well as ensure the mobile data is always active. Once you have made sure of it, now you can actually head back and check out for a login. If the issue still persists, scroll down and head over to apps while you are in your phone setting. Then tap on all apps. Tap on the search icon to search for Facebook. Now in here, for stop your Facebook application, head to storage and cache and tap on clear cache. That's it for the video as well. Hopefully this was helpful to you. Thank you so much for tuning in.